Okay, it's not a Printerstein video without Sophie in it. So, this is where I'm at. This is still a kludged mess, but ignore the wires. It's printing, and it's printing better. So, this is my latest iteration of my printer. First thing I had to do, I have screws now in all my rails. What am I calling? Linear bearings. There we go. So those are all screwed down now, and you can't see it because of the light, but my prints are much better now because these linear rails are actually attached to the framework. So that was the first thing I needed to do. I also added a flat bed. This is a piece of printing glass, the name of which escapes me, but I have taken some thumb screws and threaded them, tapped and threaded through the acrylic, and then mounted magnets on that. So now I have a perfectly flat build surface, and I can adjust it with the thumb screws, and it's magnetic, so I can remove it when I want to remove my print without having to dig my hands in there. So I got those two things done, and then I could print a fan holder. I modified this mount so I could have a part cooling fan. Now, without that fan, the first one I printed looked like crap. You can see that without a part cooling fan, PLA does not print well. And I ran out of the one color halfway through, so I switched filaments and went to gray. But that was good enough that I could hot glue a fan to that part and then print this part, which turned out much better. And then I could actually screw the fan into that one. So that is the other big improvement that I made. And now it's printing much better. This thing is still very fast. It's got decent resolution. I have